Happy Friday everyone, I'm Julian, this is Libby, and this is a dog that looks like a fox.
It is indeed. He's under a little temporary foster care situation with us, but he's not the only fox-like thing that we've had in our lives lately. We've had some foxes in the garden, and this little fox features here, so we thought our favourite Game Friday could be all about foxes in games.
So I'm really excited about the Fox Experiment. It's coming up. I've backed on Kickstarter. I've got the Fox Meeples, it's got a beautiful fox art, and it's obviously an Elizabeth Hargraves game, so all of those things mean it's going to add up to being a fantastic game. Got to see it at the UK Games Expo, but I haven't actually played it yet. But a game that does count is a game that has every single possible Woodland Meeple you can possibly get, especially if you have the big Everdell complete collection. I've chosen this because I adore this game, and with all those expansions it just keeps varying and varying every time we play it, and it seems to be a game that has lots to give.
It does indeed. Now, I would consider picking Root. It's a game that we both love, and the Woodland Alliance has a fox. But the thing with that is that
there's no Fox Meeples.
There's no Fox Meeples. No, and I feel like it's a little bit more the other woodland creatures than it is the fox. So I am going with Bitoku, which has a lovely little fox card in it, Kitsune, which is the Japanese fox spirit. And it's a game that I absolutely love. The artwork is gorgeous. You have this dice worker placement where you can go across the river and upgrade, get your Bitoku path going, and all sorts of things going on. And Kitsune gets upgraded in your card, in your deck management as you go along. Beautiful game.
Beautiful fox.
Beautiful foxes, yeah.
But do let us know down in the comments below, what is your favourite fox-based game? Could it be Fox in the Forest? Could it be Outfoxed? There's many a fox game out there. We even talked about
Scythe.
Has got Vesna's Fox.
Fox, yes.
So do let us know which fox games you prefer. And if you're interested in getting any of these games, the first place you should probably look will be your friendly local game store. And for us in the southeast of England, that is Chaos Cards.
It is indeed. And we do have a discount code that you're able to use if their current discounts aren't even better. That's in the description. But you can buy all sorts of games from them.
Yeah, one-time purchase, get you 5% off a £35 purchase. And if you're new to the channel, we are BoxedMeeples, often with a dog. And we post a board game video here twice a week, always on YouTube. So if that's the kind of thing, please consider subscribing and, of course, liking this video. But as always, thanks so much for watching.
See you next time.